Hey everyone, and welcome back to Zarx Crypto YouTube channel. Today we're gonna review Margex in the second video. So we will review all the features available on the platform. Also we will try it and trade on the platform. So stay with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any further questions. I'll see you after the intro. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video should be considered financial investments or trading advice. Cryptocurrency and trading involve high risks. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Zarx Crypto. In new video. Today's video is about Margex Exchange, one of the best and top crypto exchanges in the crypto world. So this one considered the second video. If you didn't watch the first one, you can find the link down below in the description. So let's start it and also check what's the new events and updates on the Margex Exchange. So the first one, you can check here like the latest events. So here you can claim your exclusive holiday bonus, follow Margex on social media, and claim by clicking only one button. So Margex Exchange have this Twitter account, the verified one, guys. You can find the link down below in the description, so don't forget to follow them and join this account. So right there you can find the latest events like this one. It's time to make a wish. So this one already shared by December 22. So all the season is here, time to share your wishes. Tell us what you wish for this Xmas. So here you can check how to participate. You should follow, make a post with your wish, and tag Margex.com. Also use the hashtag #WishWithMargex. We'll be collecting your wishes and sharing some. So here you can check also the surprises or the perks provided by Margex Exchange. So here also you can test and retest best entry points. Also many other posts, very helpful, very creative from Margex. Here you can also check this bonus vouchers shared also from the Margex Exchange. So this time is the ideal time to join Margex and earn some perks. So that's it, guys. Also guys, don't forget to follow Margex or subscribe to the YouTube channel where they are sharing very helpful videos like how to start copy trading, explain for beginners like what is Ethereum, and many other helpful videos. So just subscribe and watch these videos to understand more how Margex works. Also, this is a Telegram community with more than 4,691 subscribers, so you can just open and subscribe. That's it, guys. Let's go back to the exchange. So this is the first exclusive holiday bonus. So there's the second event. Register now to claim up to 10,000 bonuses. So you can get it now by one click and sign up. Also friends, don't forget about Margex Zarx trading competition. It's still ongoing and you can join, guys. Here you can check the user ID of all participants, turnover, and you can check here the turnover of all these participants right there. Here you can check the top 5 participants turnover and the total turnover of all the participants, and the prize pool also more than 1,695. So also guys, the more participants, the bigger the prize. So that's why you need to spread the word to generate a larger prize pool and earn more also. Here you can check also for every 1 million in trading volume, 100 USDT is added to the prize pool starting at 1,000. So you can check the price distribution. Top 10 traders by volume share 80% of the pool, and the first one also can get 25%, second one 20%, third one 15%, and the fourth place 10%. 4 participants between the 5th place and the 10th place can get 5% each. Here you can check also there's a random bonus, 10 traders with at least one trade share the remaining 20%. So it's a win-win, guys. Everyone can win. So here you can check the odds are high to earn from this event. That's why, guys, join and spread the word to generate a larger prize pool. So you can check now the prize pool is 1,695. We can make it larger and earn all together. You can also go to trade I will explain everything in this video, guys. You can download the application if you are a phone user. You can download it from this link, or as an APK. That's it, guys. Here you can check here we made crypto trading easy. So this is the main idea of Margex: make trading easy. Like more than 500,000 registered users plus 180k daily trades, and available in a wide range of countries, 153. So it's a very good exchange. Also right there you can check the copy trading. You can search by clicking this button right there. It's very easy, guys. Just click here and you can join the copy trading from Margex. Here you can check tutorials. We already checked the video here explain how to copy trade and follow. So here you can create your strategy. Also you can check your leaderboard, portfolio, and my strategies also. So here you can check all the details and all the data. Here you can check also the leaderboard, the name of the copy trader, the achievements, also the collateral and the trader's equity, strategy equity, and the ROI followers, and many other data here. That's it, guys. Now let's go back to the earn crypto with Margex staking. You can also earn from Margex staking. You can earn interest on BTC, Ethereum, USDC, DAE, and other top cryptocurrencies by clicking stake. So you can check the staking products right there, the Binance USD, Ethereum USD coin, G-Search coin, and you can check here the APY. So here you can check it's flexible, 25 or 50. Here you can check also Margex staking futures. Staking pools with 5% APY are limited. Here some frequently asked questions to check more details. So all you need to do is click stake right there, and you will be able to join here by checking your collateral balance, bonus balance, now available in orders. You can check here the deposit, buy crypto, withdrawal, and the conversion also. So we didn't even explain how you can deposit, because it's easy, guys. You can just select the coin right there, the network from here too, and then you can copy your address or show your QR code. So it's very easy, very simple to deposit from any other crypto wallet. Same thing, guys, to buy crypto. You can use buy crypto, and there is a wide range of currencies to use and purchase the amount in crypto. That's it, guys. Very easy and very simple too. Here you can check the invite your friends to Margex and earn rewards. So this is the referral affiliate program on Margex Exchange, and it's not limited, but everyone can join, guys. So Margex shares 40% of the trading commissions paid by your referrals with you. So you can start your earning with Margex by one click. You can get your referral code and share it with your friends to get a commission. Here you can check. So this is the features available, and here everyone is eligible to become an affiliate. As I told you before, like step 1, get a link, step 2, sharing, and step 3, start earning. So it's very easy. You can click start your affiliate journey, and you are ready to earn with Margex. Also, guys, the last video we focused more on trading, so here we can just make a short overview how you can trade with Margex Exchange. You can check here, this is the chart, this is the indicators. Also here you can modify like the candles, bars, or use hollow candles. Many other choices available too. So here you can check all these tools which help you analyze the chart and make the correct trade. So this is the price of BTC today. The price like went today as a maximum value of 88,693, and now the price is 177. 600, then making this correction, another small bump, another correction, and I think the price will go up in the future, guys. We will reach the 90k again and maybe exceed it. So this is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing, and also be sure that trading involves high risk. So don't take my words and do your own research before investing. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying in this video consider it a financial advice. Okay, guys, so also you can use the limit, market price, and stop market. So you can choose isolated or cross. The margin mode, you can check here the leverage up to 100x, And also you can check here the order size. You can choose here the amount, sell market or buy market. You can use limit also, and you can also check here isolation or cross. You can confirm, then you can select here order size, and buy long, sell short. Here you can check also the leverage again. Converter is no fees available inside the Margex. Is very good feature, guys. You can check here no fees, so you can convert limited amounts. Here you can check the wallet. So this is your wallet. You can check like your balance, staking, withdrawals, transaction history, promo code, and here you can add your promo code. So you can find my promo code in the description, so you can add it here and check availability to earn. So here is the promo codes. You can check your storage history. So I already have this $50 bonus, so you can claim it easily by clicking right there without explanation. You can check the validity period and click receive, so close. So here you have this voucher to trade on or to trade with. So it's a very good thing to use Margex right now, guys. As already there's multiple events here, you can find them on the Margex X account. So don't forget to follow and also join the Telegram community right there. So guys, you can find also CoinMarketCap on Margex profile on CoinMarketCap with more than 2,700 followers. You can follow them if you are using CoinMarketCap, and you can check out the latest updates. Also, you can check the comments, articles, and reactions. So everything here, you can find all this in the description. So don't forget to check all the links. That was the video of today. So don't forget to like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials. I will see you in the next video.